Good afternoon, this is Bob Gregg speaking from Hitachi Software. I'm here today to show you the intricacies of the new Hitachi Starboard Link solution that we've come out with. And to start with, what I've got is a dry erase surface which is magnetic. And with this surface we're going to go ahead and show you the assembly of the Starboard Link and how easy and quick it is to be up and running. In the beginning, what you really need to do is just go ahead and project your image onto the screen, because you can build the Starboard Link around the size of image that you choose. So we can take the Starboard Link after we have installed the Hitachi Starboard software on the computer, which is free with the product, by the way. It's a non-licensing software. Okay. Now that you have the software installed and the hardware components of the Hitachi Starboard Link installed, we're going to quickly just open up the Hitachi Starboard software, which is going to show you the new version 9.31 of the Hitachi Starboard software with many new features as well. Some of those features that I'd like to show you, for those of you who are familiar with our older software or have never seen our software at all, you've got a set of tabs on the left-hand side or the right-hand side, your choice, to be able to go through any of the content regarding document information, as well as gallery of content. Included with the software are over 6,000 pieces of educational learning content that you can drag and drop quickly to your interactive space by just quickly touching and tapping and going through the folders in any particular manner that you choose, and drag and dropping to the wall space with just a finger touch or a feather touch. And so we can also, taking that to one step farther, go into any of our other existing saved content that we may have from other resources, and as well our own favorites section. And we also have an infinite gallery of content, as we can search the internet live to gather image files from the internet. So for example, by typing the word heart into this space and doing a quick search, we're populating this field with internet-based images. So we can very easily drag and drop an image file to the board. And let's slide this palette out of the way. We can also edit or amend this image by going into the menu upon selecting it and doing an edit image. So within this, we could go in and maybe remove the existing labels to be able to do a quiz or test, as well as do a select all to remove a specific color of background. And as you see, we have the ability to now take the heart and move that out of the way. Let's just get rid of our dinosaur here. We'll throw him down out of the way here. And take our heart, and we can very easily take our heart image and go ahead and have that annotated by students to replace the existing labels in an area where that we've removed them. With the IntelliPen, of course, you still have the availability of all of your gestures. You have the usage of scrolling, so you can scroll with an expandable page space, either horizontally or vertically. And as well with the IntelliPen, then you can go back in and handwrite on the board, and literally handwrite on the board with my hand, and select the content of the word that we wrote. And if we wanted to change that to font-based text, a rich text format, we could do so. And then let's say that we didn't want to change it and go to all that work. We can very easily, again, select all of the content, the word that I wrote, and search from over 4 customizable search engines that are available by clicking. And so with a quick click of the button, I've written the word heart, and I've searched on the website. Let's say we wanted to go to images, we can go to a value of images, we can go to just web content that is very easy to drag and drop or copy and paste. But I love the drag and drop feature, so let's just say we wanted to come in here and gather this piece right here. We can very easily and quickly drag and drop those words to the page. And let's get this browser back out of the way here. We can now grab that text, and we have the ability to edit that text in many different fashions. You cut, copy, and paste. We can also do fun things like split the text. So let's say we want to split that text. We have the ability to split it by line or by word. Let's go ahead and split that text by word for now. And with the select tool, obviously we can grab one word now, any particular word, and move that word around, as well as you have fun tools such as the fill tool, where you can go in and by using the fill tool, select a specific word and highlight just that specific word in the section of content that you have. As well, this gives you the ability to edit this text. So if we go in and just double click on any of these, we have the ability to go ahead and edit that particular chunk of text as we go along. And scrolling, obviously we can scroll to get more space, but you also not only have that, you have the ability to erase with 2 points of contact. So we can take very quickly and erase with 2 points of contact, or with the IntelliPen, we can scroll and then maybe zoom in and out on a particular section of the board that we would want to zoom in on. So with just using 2 or 3 very quick tools and the Hitachi Starboard Link, we've created an interactive space on this dry erase space, and we've also garnished all of the strengthened powers that the Hitachi Starboard software brings to your classroom. Thank you for joining me today at touchboards.com and taking a quick peek at the new Hitachi Starboard Link. Please feel free to contact the folks at touchboards.com for a more in-depth conversation and visit with the Hitachi Starboard Link at the wonderful price of $749 in education